Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Now it's a rainy day today. So we didn't go out and do some video. It's because rain. So maybe we stay here at home because we can't go outside. It's been raining. Let's see outside. Now the rain is stopped a little bit, so I don't know if it's raining later. The road here it's much better now than before, so it's good. It's a quick update to our video, so please subscribe our channel and have a good day and God bless.